In this video, I'm going to present how to start up machines, the CNC mills and lathe HAAS. In Immerse to Learn, we have the application option where we have different controllers. For milling, I'm going to pick HAAS VF3. In a few seconds, I will have two windows on my screen. One is the controller on the left side, and on the right side is the machine itself. The startup procedure is simple. It's just like on a real machine. We have to turn on the power, making sure emergency stop is off. Then we have to hit reset a couple of times and then power up restart. After finishing running the programs, making the setup and so on, once we are done, we want to make sure that we send home all axes before we shut down the machine. And then we press emergency stop and we power off the machine. So this is pretty much all the steps that you have to make every time you start the machine and we want to turn it off. For CNC lathes, going back to Immerse to Learn, we will have to pick HAAS SL20. And these are the machines that we got here in our lab at Skokie campus in our manufacturing lab. And in Immerse to Learn, the simulation, it's really close to real machining. So we see the machine on the right side. On the left side, we have the controller. And the same procedure, pretty much like the mill. We have to turn on the power. We have to make sure emergency stop it's off. So we click on it until it's off. And then we press reset a few times to clear all the alarms. And then we hit the power up restart key to make sure the machine is ready to run the program. Once we're done, we have to send all the axes home by pressing home G28 key, emergency stop, and power off. And this will conclude the presentation for startup procedure for HAAS mill and HAAS CNC lathe.